friends, welcome to Learning-Iit Jee Neet, and today we are with our Maths Basics Part 1, that is definite properties of indices. And today we are going to cover basic rules or properties in indices and basic applications regarding indices and complex applications in indices. And first we are going with basic rules or properties in indices, which we have already studied in our 8th and 9th classes, but they are very useful in our JEE mains and advanced, and also need for solving many of the chemical equations and many of the laws in maths, physics and chemistry, like Kepler's laws and many of the laws. And let's start with basic rules or properties which we have already studied in class 8th and 9th. So coming to basic rules or properties, we have the first one as a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. If the bases are equal, the powers should be added when the middle one is into sign, that is multiplication sign. And second one is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. And when the bases are equal, when there is a division sign in middle, we have to subtract the powers. And coming to the third one, a power m into b power m, and when the bases are different and the powers are equal, we should multiply the bases, a into b whole power m. And the fourth one is a power m whole power n is a power m into n. And fifth one is a power m power n, and this is similar to this but it is not same to this, and that is a power m to the power n, and we write like this. And sixth one is a power m by b power m. If the powers are equal and they are dividing, a by b whole power m can be written. And next one is nth root of a can be written as a power 1 by n. And it is the most important property, and which we are going to solve in chemistry and maths in our JEE mains, advanced and NEET. And this is the important formula. And coming to the eighth one is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n, and opposite to it is a power n is equal to 1 by a power minus n. And coming to the 10th one is a power 0 is 1, and we know this is frequently used. And 7th one and 10th one are frequently used in many of the chemical equations in the problem solving methods. And for taking this basic rules, we will solve some basic applications regarding it, and we will take some most important things, and we will solve the problems in our JEE mains and advanced and NEET also. Coming to the basic applications, we have basic applications. We have first one as a power x into a power y divided by a power z. This is a very basic application, and we need to apply these basic rules to find this. And according to the first law, that is a power m into a power n, we have a power m plus n, and the bases are equal, a power x plus y, and there is divided by a power z. And coming to the second property, we have a power m divided by a power n, that is a power m minus n, and we have a power x plus y. We need to subtract it, and the answer is a power x plus y minus z. And The next one is a b c whole power x, and we have a power x into b power x into c power x is the answer. And third one is x power x by y whole power minus n, and we can reciprocal it, and y by x whole power n is the answer. And next one we have x power k is equal to x power r, and when the bases are equal the powers are also equal, and that is k is equals to r, and when the powers are equal, that is x power r is equal to y power r, and the powers are equal, then the bases are also equal, x is equal to y, and a power x is equal to b is the sixth one, and we can write it as a is equal to b to the power 1 by x. So we have these all basic applications, and based on these basic rules we have these basic applications, and coming to the complex applications we have only two important complex applications, and we need to understand them very carefully. To the complex applications we have only two problems in this, but they are very important and we can derive many examples from these complex applications. And let's start. First one is 16 to the power 3 by 4, and we are going to solve it very easily. That is 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 times, that is 2 power 4. So we'll write 16 as 2 power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4, and since we have a formula that is a power m whole power n, we get a power m into n, and we will apply the same formula here. M is 4 and n is 3 by 4, and we get 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4, and 4 will be cancelled, and 2 cube is 8. 8 is the answer. And this is a small concept, but it is a complex application in chemistry, in Kepler's law and many of the laws. And coming to the second one, minus 2 power minus 2 power minus 2, and no need to worry for this question, we are solving it very easily. Let's take this part as x, and by this we get x power minus 2, that is x power minus n. We have a formula that is x power minus n will be equals to 1 by x power n, and that is x power minus 2 is equal to 1 by x square, and we'll apply the same formula here. 1 by x square is equals to, substitute x value here, 1 by x is minus 2 power minus 2 and square, and next we will get, we have a formula as a power m power n, so we have a power m to the power n, and minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4, and it is minus is multiplied for even number of times, we get plus, so 1 by minus 2 power 4, and again we have minus 2 is multiplied for 4 times, that is even number of times, we get minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is 16, and we get 1 by 16 is the answer. And these are our definite properties of indices and applications regarding it. And Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and learn this basics and learn this properties for applying it in our further study.